Welcome to this tutorial on how to automate Monday.com column types. Monday.com is a powerful work operating system that allows teams to manage and automate their workflows. One of the key features of Monday.com is the ability to automate column types, which can save time and increase productivity. To start automating column types, you need to understand the different types of columns available in Monday.com. These include text, number, date, and checkbox columns, among others. Each column type has its own unique properties and automation options. To automate a column type, go to your Monday.com board and click on the column you want to automate. Then, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the column and select Automate. This will open the automation menu, where you can choose from a variety of automation options. For example, let's say you want to automate a text column to send a notification when a new item is added. To do this, select the Send Notification option and choose the team members you want to notify. You can also customize the notification message and add conditions to trigger the automation. Another example is automating a date column to change the status of an item when a deadline is approaching. To do this, select the Change Status option and choose the status you want to change to. You can also add conditions to trigger the automation, such as when the deadline is within a certain number of days. Best practices for automating column types include keeping your automations simple and focused on specific tasks. You should also test your automations regularly to ensure they are working as expected. Additionally, make sure to document your automations so that other team members can understand how they work. In conclusion, automating Monday.com column types can help streamline your workflow and increase productivity. By understanding the different column types and automation options, you can create custom automations that meet your team's specific needs. Remember to keep your automations simple, test them regularly, and document them for future reference. With these tips and best practices, you can get the most out of Monday.com's automation features and take your workflow to the next level.